Hello everyone, Kevin Hustek here, Director of Technology for Warren Woods Public Schools, welcoming you to Tech Tip Tuesday, which I hope will become a reoccurring series bringing you tech tips that can help you along your way. If you know of a tech tip that you'd like to share with the organization, feel free to record a video or reach out and we can collaborate on a video that could be used in a future episode. Together, we can build out a series of technology microsegments that can help our organization's technical capacity continue to grow. On this week's episode, Mike Tolfson, a product manager for Microsoft Education, is going to show you how to use the Spotlight feature in Microsoft Teams. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and thank you for watching Tech Tip Tuesday.
I'll be showing how a presenter can spotlight people in a Microsoft Teams meeting. To get started, let's join a Teams meeting. Click Join. Okay, let's join the meeting. Now, first off, I'm going to open up the Participants panel right here. Now, just a note, you need to be a presenter to be able to use the Spotlight feature. So in this case, I'm a presenter, and I'm going to highlight my name and click the ... and I'm going to choose Spotlight Me. Now, you're not going to see this on my screen, but if you look in the lower right here, you see a little glowing band around me. So that means all the students in my class or all the people in your meeting only see me and they focus on me. And that's great when you're really trying to focus the attention of the meeting on yourself. Now, I can also spotlight someone else in the meeting. And so in this case, I'm going to go down to Chelsea and I'm going to click the ... and I'll choose Spotlight right here. Now Chelsea's in the spotlight. You can see all the class is focused on Chelsea. So as the presenter, I can choose anyone in the class and put the spotlight on them. And you can see the icon next to Chelsea's name, the little spotlight icon right there. So you can always see where it is. And then up at the top, I can click Stop Spotlighting. And then I can click this. And now we're back to the regular meeting layout.